Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital class, your spoken English class. My class and all its associates are working for the development of your listening and speaking skill. You have to spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day for your own development. Today I'll read a very beautiful story with a striking lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. I know you can do the work. Yes, you can. Now the story. But I won't tell you the name of the story right now. You'll know the name and the moral at the end. Let's start. Long, long ago, there was an industrious bee who had stored her combs with a bountiful harvest. One day she decided to fly out to heaven to present an offering of honey to Jupiter. The god was so delighted with the bee's gift that he promised her she should have whatever her heart desired. O great Jupiter, my creator, my master, I beg of thee, give thy servant a sting, so that when anyone approaches my hive to take out the honey, I may kill him on the spot. Jupiter was surprised to hear such a bloodthirsty request from such a humble creature. Becoming angry, he said, Your prayer shall not be granted in exactly the way you wish, but the sting you ask for you shall have. When anyone comes to take away your honey, and you attack him, the wound shall be fatal, and it shall be fatal to you, for your life shall go with your sting. The name of the story, Jupiter and the Bee. The moral, he who prays hard against his neighbors brings curse upon himself.